What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, and in this Fit Gamer Fight Move episode, we're going back to the Assassin's Creed series, and we're going to be looking at specifically Assassin's Creed 3 and an empty hand combo that is devastating. So take a look at this gameplay and reenactment that we did and see for yourself. A quick reminder for you guys, channel memberships are now available. So click the join button down below this video or on the community tab and you'll see all the options there for our channel memberships. You can even watch a little video that'll tell you what it's all about. But if you want to see more content from us and have a voice in what we do next, then channel memberships is the best way to support us. So let's get back to Assassin's Creed 3 and check out this awesome striking combo. So you saw that from the gameplay footage and the reenactment. We're going to be looking at Desmond here and the bleeding effect. This is where the skills of the ancestors go into Desmond, and now he can use those skills, including the fighting ones. So here, the choreography starts out with Desmond blocking a strike from the opponent. The opponent's coming in with a big left hook, and Desmond just puts up his arm and blocks that using the forearm right there to stop that strike from coming through. Now you'll notice that Desmond counters here with a hammer fist, or he can be using the second knuckle line here. As you see that his wrist is kind of loose and he comes down in a very wide motion. He doesn't have his hand here where he's going to be striking with the bottom of his hand or his wrist, but he comes through like this in a whipping motion. And also before he actually strikes the opponent, he pulls the opponent's other opposite arm and puts him off balance to get a better angle on that incoming strike. Right after that downward diagonal strike with the knuckles, he comes with a wide inner forearm strike here, hitting the opponent right in the face, and it brings their head up. Now that Desmond has hit the opponent twice in the head on the high line, he changes it up and goes to the low line with a front thrust kick right here, straight to the opponent's knee area. This could be possibly breaking the knee. You see the leg buckle, and then the opponent drops to the ground. Desmond follows up immediately with a jumping knee strike straight to the head to finish him off. Assassin's Creed 3 was the game that really brought the motion capture and choreography up to a new, exciting level. I really like this combo from Desmond and Connor in the game because it was just so devastating. It's one of the cooler looking empty hand combos. And again, he uses the position to his advantage. First, pulling the opponent down so he can get a better angle on that knuckle strike. And then again, going high, changing to going low, hitting that knee, and taking advantage again of the opponent dropping to the ground. I didn't necessarily agree with his jumping knee strike. I mean, a lot of this stuff is made to look cool and to make sure that the choreography is seen when you're playing the game. But if you're on the run like Desmond is or Connor in the game all the time, you're always free running, it would have been cool if you can just give him a quick knee and start sprinting immediately right after. But since he jumps up to that knee, that's that, second that he's in the air, and that's where, your enemies can get to you. All right, so there you have it for this Fit Gamer Fight Move episode. Again, Connor and Desmond from Assassin's Creed 3 taking down those opponents with this awesome striking combo. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the little notification bell so you know when all the other videos come out. Again, guys, channel memberships are now available. So if you want your voice to be heard, I highly recommend, if you're going to join, pick the /crew option, because there you'll have exclusive voting rights to what comes next on the channel and which videos we're going to be producing for you guys in the upcoming Fit Gamer Fight Move series and the fight scene breakdowns, as well as some other ideas that I can bounce off you guys, and you guys can put your vote in and see which one you like best. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for your longtime support, and I hope to see you guys in the next Fit Gamer Fight Move episode. As always, game on, stay fit, and keep on training. It's Joey B/3. We'll see you guys in the next one.